Hi, today we're going to see how to create a crumpled paper effect in GIMP. I will put the link of the images I will use in the description box. So this is the first image I'm going to use, and now I'm going to bring in second image. So here's the second image. So here it is, it's a paper texture. So now I'm going to rotate this layer here. So go to Layer, Transform, and now rotate 90 degrees clockwise. So here it is, as you can see, it filled all the layer here. And now I'm going to change the mode to multiply. So here it is. And now, as you can see here, the texture here gave a yellowish color here to the layer here, to the person here. So now I'm going to desaturate a little bit. So now I'm going to desaturate this paper texture here. So go to Colors, Saturation. And now I'm going to desaturate a little bit here to remove the orange tone. So here you can check the preview and then press OK. And now I'm going to merge down these two layers. So here, top layer with the bottom one. And now I'm going to brighten a little bit this layer. So go to Colors again and then Levels. And now I'm going to drag to the left the middle slider to the midtones. So here, let's check the preview. So I think here it's okay, press OK. So here it is. And now I'm going to sharpen it. So go to Filters, Enhance, and then Sharpen Unsharp Mask. So here if I click on the GIMP window and then press the plus key to zoom in. So if you check the preview, you can see the before and after. So I'm going to leave it here, press OK with the default settings. So here it is. That's how you can create the crumpled paper effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.